Hey adventurers, welcome back to Over the Hill Yackers, the channel where staying active never gets old. Today we're talking about something simple, free, and backed by science. The incredible health benefits of just 20 minutes outside. No gym membership. No complicated routines. Just you, the fresh air, and the world beyond your front door. Imagine this. You step outside, feel the sun's warmth, hear the leaves rustle, and instantly your shoulders relax. It's not just in your head. Research shows that even short bursts of outdoor time can work wonders for your body and mind. Let's break down exactly why. Mood boost and mental health. First up, your mood. Spending time in nature lowers stress hormones like cortisol, while boosting feel-good chemicals like serotonin. Whether you're walking, gardening, or simply sitting on a park bench, you're giving your mind a chance to reset. Studies show that even 20 minutes outdoors can improve focus, reduce anxiety, and lift your overall happiness level. Physical health benefits. Next, your body. Stepping outside gets you moving, even if it's light activity. That gentle movement improves circulation, supports heart health, and helps maintain mobility as we age. Bonus, sunlight triggers your body to produce vitamin D, which keeps your bones strong and supports your immune system. Better sleep and energy. Here's a benefit most people don't realize: better sleep. Exposure to natural light during the day helps regulate your circadian rhythm, meaning you'll fall asleep more easily at night and wake up feeling more refreshed. Plus, fresh air naturally increases oxygen flow, giving you a healthy boost of energy without caffeine. It's easier than you think. The best part? You don't have to plan a big adventure. You can take a short walk after lunch. Enjoy your morning coffee on the porch. Do light stretching in your backyard. Visit a nearby park for a quick reset. If you make it a habit, those 20 minutes will become something you look forward to every day. So here's your challenge. Starting today, find a 20-minute slot and spend it outside. Try it for 1 week and see how you feel. I promise your body and mind will thank you. Drop a comment and tell us your favorite way to spend 20 minutes outdoors. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Over the Hill Yackers, and share it with someone who could use a little sunshine in their life. Always check with your healthcare provider before starting new physical activities, especially if you have existing health conditions. Thanks for spending part of your day with us here at Over the Hill Yackers, where staying active never gets old. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and join our community of adventurers. Until next time, stay safe, stay active, and we'll see you back outdoors.